You can earn 100K a year and still stay broke. Sounds familiar? Being broke isn't just about income, it's about what's going on up here. I'll break down mental traps that keep people poor and how to reprogram your mindset for lasting wealth. The number one mistake, spending emotionally to feel in control. That's coping. Your brain craves spending as safety, not saving, but spending. Problems stay the same. My friend Jay made 6 figures but was broke in 2 years. He upgraded his car, not his mindset. You can't out-earn a broken mindset. Scarcity says, spend now. Abundance says, wait and say will grow. First, for non-essential expenses, wait 48 hours. The urge often passes. Second, reframe saving as spending. Label it, this is future rent or buying my freedom. Third, use visual cues. Create a broke loop versus wealth loop chart. Choose long-term security over short-term dopamine. Track every dollar you spend this week. What you track, you can change. Subscribe for more. Link for a free budget template from BrokeToBeta. You can earn